Salute. Folks, we have a mega promotion. The bot with the help of which I earn, paid, but you can get it absolutely free right now. Access to the bot is given to you forever. Follow the link in the description. Follow the instructions and start earning with the help of neural network with an average accuracy of 90%. The promotion, in which you can get the robot for free, will last 1 month. The tool gives an unlimited number of signals. You get the full version without restrictions, forever. Now I'm gonna max out the bot. I'm getting my first signal. The recommendation from the artificial intelligence is lower. Time frame 2 minutes, currency pair Australian, American dollar. The market entry point is $700. Why did the bot give that signal? Let's get to the bottom of this. Sellers for a long time accumulating volumes did not allow the price to start a strong growth. During the past hour there were long stretches of sideways movement. Sometimes the price went down sharply, after which it returned upwards. I think that the bot noticed that in the last minutes the price was moving in a very narrow corridor, and similar situations have already happened before in this currency pair. The flat movement was followed by a bounce from the resistance zone to lower. I think this situation will happen again. I think that the bot made such a decision, realizing that the price will go down again and we will be able to get a profit. Friends, our channel is running a contest with a great prize for one random comment. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 2 winners using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. The robot was right. The deal closed with a positive result. Plus $567. That's a great start. Now I will conduct an operation with the currency pair Australian dollar, Japanese yen. The expiry time and investment amount remain the same. To get a signal from the neural network, you just need to press 2 keys corresponding to the settings in the bot's menu in Telegram. So, the new recommendation is lower. You need to press the red key in pocket option. The bot also specified information about volatility and the impact of news on the price. Now both parameters are inactive. The developers have put a lot of effort and time into creating this tool. They taught it to use a large arsenal of skills that a professional trader cannot do without. Candlestick and technical analysis, price action, the ability to use 30 indicators. According to the chart of historical data, in this case we can see some patterns similar to the previous deal. Bears actively, systematically saturated the market with volumes. There was a long flat, sometimes sellers significantly reduced the price, after which it returned to the previous level. I think that the robot noticed that in this situation also the narrow corridor and the dominance of sellers can play a decisive role in the success of this operation. I think the price will bounce off the resistance zone and go down a bit by the time the trade comes to an end. Yes, we just have to wait a bit. I trust the robot, because its effectiveness is time-tested and proven by the case. And now in front of you on the screen are reviews from traders who use it. These traders are maximizing their profits with MaxBot. Working on this structure, you will become millionaires. The bot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you. The bot will triple your deposit on the first day. The trust you put in it will justify itself in the first hours of work. You can read all the reviews in the Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video. So, $630 is already in my pocket. One more deal ended with a profit and it really makes me happy. Thank you, MaxBot. Well, it's time to make the final move of this trading session. I will enter the market on the currency pair Swiss franc, Japanese yen. The investment amount will be doubled, $1,400. I very quickly get a recommendation from the neural network again. The signal is lower. The news background is soft, price fluctuations are reduced at the moment. I entered the trade by pressing the red key. A huge advantage of the bot is its ability to work with over-the-counter currency pairs. You can earn when the exchanges are sleeping, during late hours of the day, weekends and holidays. To get a list of OTC currency pairs, send the bot the command /OTC in chat. According to the historical data of the currency pair I have chosen, the price has been showing growth in a sideways movement for an hour and a half. Yes, the growth was very slow. I think that the robot gave a lower signal because now the market could feel a little overbought and the price will rebound from the resistance area, as in previous trades, and rush down. Most likely, it will not be a long impulse, but within a 2-minute time frame it could be a decisive factor. A factor that will bring me profit again. There is not much time left before the trade ends. Let's wait for the result. Friends, I want to remind you once again about the important thing. Bot is a paid tool, but you can get it absolutely free right now. Access to the bot is given to you forever. Follow the link in the description. Follow the instructions and start earning with the help of neural network with the accuracy of signals from 89 to 95%. The promotion, in which you can get the robot for free, will last 1 month. The bot gives an unlimited number of signals. Yes, you get the full version of the bot without restrictions, forever. We are one step away from victory. Yes, the bot correctly predicted the situation again. A sideways movement at the last seconds and here we are, plus $1,204. That's great. The total profit for the 3 trades is $2,401. Did you like the video, friends? Give it a like, subscribe and click on the bell. See you again soon.